Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening. Yes, have you prepared your technical part, food and tech?
Yes, sir.
Yes, first of all, basic introduce yourself.
My name is Prathamesh Sachin Mahangade. I am from Yavatmal, Maharashtra, from which I have done my all education. I have done my B.Tech in food technology in Dr. Punjabra Deshmukh Krishi Vidyapit, Akola in the year 2024, and currently working as a quality executive in Bailey packaged drinking water by Parle Agri. And my interest includes swimming and fitness.
Yes, good. Yeah, next move on technical part. Yes, once again. First basic is what the basic difference food technology and food engineering.
So, food engineering is basically a branch of food technology. Food engineering deals with the mechanical part, the study of the particles and the thermodynamic nature, the fluid mechanics nature of the food. Whereas food technology covers all the aspects like food chemistry, food microbiology, food business management, and food engineering as well. Food technology is a core part, while food engineering is a branch of food technology.
Yes. First is basic is what is nutrition? What the main application of nutrition in food technology? Describe.
The nutrition is the thing that we will expect from a food that we take. Uh, we eat food to get a nutrition in the form of protein, fat, carbohydrate, uh, and fiber, etc.
Yes. You talk about carbohydrate. What is carbohydrate? First basic point.
Carbohydrate is a energy-giving nutrition which we consume in the form of food, which body converts this complex into a simpler one like glucose, fructose, etc.
Yes, first food carbohydrate is basic part is polysaccharide, monosaccharide, disaccharide.
Yes.
Yes, can you describe what
So
the meaning of
monosaccharide
celluloid?
is a simple carbon containing chain. The example includes glucose and fructose, whereas disaccharide is a combination of two monosaccharide like sucrose, which is combination of glucose and fructose, as well as polysaccharide is a chain of monosaccharides or disaccharides.
Yes. Next is what the basic difference starch, cellulose, lactose, glucose, galactose. What the main formula of these terms? What the uses of these in food technology? Describe one by one point.
Cellulose is a part of a plant which stores energy uh, in
Yes.
the plant, and same as starch. Uh, Starch is a form of carbohydrate.
Yes. Next is protein. What is protein? What the classification of protein in food?
So protein is a bodybuilding block of our body, and it is a protein is made from an amino acid. There is a nine essential amino acid.
Yes, you talk about the essential amino acid. What the difference? Essential, non-essential amino acid. How many type?
So essential amino acid, as the amino acid that is not prepared by our body, it's called essential amino acid that we can eat from outside sources, and the non-essential one that can be prepared inside our body.
Yes. How many essential, non-essential amino acid?
So essential amino acid are of nine types. Uh,
Yes. Which one? Do you have any idea?
yes, like histidine, lysine, leucine, tryptophan. Um,
Yes. What is lipids? What the classification of lipids? Do you have any idea?
so lipids, that is nothing but fats. Uh, is I'm unable to recall it.
Polymerization.
Read about it.
Okay, look them. You have to study. Next, polymerization. What is polymerization? What the history of polymerization?
I'm unable to recall. I will read about it.
Pigment. What is pigment? Carotenoids, chlorophyll,
Pigment,
myoglobin, hemoglobin, anthocyanin, cyanin.
yes, pigments are coloring parts of any plants or any food products. Like chlorophyll is a green color pigment, which is mainly present in plants like green leafy plants, etc. And carotenoid is a orange or a yellow color pigment, which is present in oranges, carrot, and lemon. Whereas anthocyanin is a red color pigment.
Yes, chlorophyll, hemoglobin, myoglobin.
So hemoglobin, it is a red color pigment, and myoglobin also a red color pigment. It is present in meat and chicken also, which gives it a distinct red and a pinkish color.
Yes. Next is enzymes. What is enzymes? What the classification of enzymes? What the basic difference? Enzyme, coenzymes, non-enzymes.
Uh, so enzymes are a biocatalyst, which can be speed up a reactions and help the reaction or help the process to speed up or take place. Enzymes like polyphenol oxidase, uh, which results in browning in various fruits and vegetables, and some enzymes like yeast, which used in bakery industry for preparing bread, biscuits like product. The coenzymes are the activators of the enzyme, which is used to activate the enzyme.
Yeah, next one is vitamin. What is vitamin? How many types of vitamin? Which one is soluble and insoluble?
Uh,
Fat soluble, water soluble.
Vitamins are two types, water soluble and fat soluble. Uh, Further, water soluble are of two types, like vitamin B complex and vitamin C. And fat soluble are vitamin A, vitamin D, E, and K. Vitamin B has been also further classified like vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12.
Yes, yes, vitamin B12. Name of
Um,
chemical
I
name.
think so. It is a cobalt.
Yes, main function of vitamin B12.
Sorry, sir, I'm unable to recall it.
What is the source of vitamin B12?
Sorry, sir, I don't know about it.
Animal. Deficiency syndromes of vitamin B12. Anemia. Yeah, next is next new topic in food technology. What is cell?
So, cell is a basic living organism which is present in all the living organism. Like every body, every organs is made up of a cell as a basic part. Cell contains various cell organs like nucleus, cytoplasm, ribosomes, Golgi apparatus, etc. It can be classified into two types like prokaryotic and eukaryotic. So,
Yeah, next is fermented food like idli, dosa, soya sauce.
yes.
Yes, what are the main application of these type of food? Fermented food. Curd.
The fermentation process can be used in from ancient time in India.
Yes.
We prepare various products like idli, dosa, and soybean also we prepare different product by the process of fermentation. Also, various alcoholic beverages also can be prepared by various fermentation process like beer and wine. Uh, the major application of this fermentation is that it will convert the complex materials into the simpler one, which can be easily consumed and digested. And also, fermentation is the major process in alcohol production.
Yes. Alcoholic behavior and seesaws.
Can you repeat the question, sir?
Alcoholic behavior and seesaws used in fermented food.
I'm not clear about the question.
Seesaws. Sausage.
Okay, okay.
Seesaws.
Yes, sir.
Alcoholic behavior of seesaws. I think these are fermented food.
Yes, sir. Alcoholic sausages like soya sauce, which can be prepared by alcoholic fermentation of soya from soybean, and uh, uh, I will remember. I am only remembering this soya sauce only. The other beverages, maybe alcoholic beverages can be included in this.
Next is food product technology. What the basic principle of food product technology?
So its basic principle is uh, the converting the of agricultural produce into the acceptable product with the use of various engineering processes, various chemical processes, and microbiology technicals to make it easy for the consumer to accept it, to digest it, and to convert the food into energy sources. Like the raw wheat can be converted into various bakery products. The raw fruits can be converted into a juice, which can be easily accepted by the consumers and which make it affordable.
Yes, like is addictive food, freezing, dehydration, addition, fermentation,
Yes,
intermediates,
sir.
food, bread, biscuit, wheat, rice, milling. Next is oil. What is oil? What is the basic principle of oil and oil processing?
Uh, but oil is also essential part of our diet. Oil processing has been done in India like we will extract oil from a kachi ghani method. But this is traditional method. But in modern technique, we use refined oil, which is used by a solvent extraction method. Solvent like hexane, acetone can be used to extract oil from various oilseeds like soybean and groundnut oil is quite famous as it is affordable and having health benefit also.
Yes, what the process of refinery and hydrogenation in oil industries?
So refining is the process of uh, removing the impurities from oil, uh, which is done by solvent extraction method and then extraction of solvent to get a pure oil. And hydrogenation is nothing but addition of hydrogen in that, uh, which reduce the oil content in that. And like for example, margarine is an example of hydrogenation product, and butter is also an example of hydrogenated product. Uh, the drawback of hydrogenated product is that it contains high cholesterol and high saturated fat, which may harm to our, which causes harm to our heart.
Yes, what is waste utilization? What the main basic principle of waste utilizations in food industry, food technology, food engineering?
Waste utilization is very important in every industry as it reduces the cost and increase the effectiveness and efficiency of any of the plant. Like in food industry, waste is generated in of many types, like biodegradable waste, non-biodegradable waste, plastic waste. Uh, Waste first, if the waste is in the form of effluent, then it is first treated, and then it is released in the environment as per by regulating all the pollution control norms. And if it is biodegradable, then we have to make a separate chamber or separate pathway for it. And if it is plastic, then we will throw it in a garbage or in a municipal waste. As well as we use a 3R point here, like recycle, reduce, and reuse, which makes any operational very easy and increase the efficiency, overall efficiency of any plant.
Yes, next is plantation crops, processing and basic principle and product.
So I'm able to recall about it.
Yes, plantation crops is tea, coffee, cocoa,
Yes,
spice.
yes.
Yes, what the basic principle of these type of crops?
Generally, in India, plantation crops like coffee, etc., or tea can be used as a beverage, like cold coffee or hot coffee or tea, instant tea or green tea like products. Uh, the coffee mainly produced from a coffee beans, which is first roasted and then uh, coffee is dried with various method like freeze drying method, and then it is available in the market like instant coffee. Thus, and tea also can be prepared like cutting leaves and then fermentation process is also done, then drying, and there's various steps include in that. And thus we get tea. Uh, in India mainly tea is famous from Assam and Himachal region.
Yes. Next is milk and milk product. What the basic principle of milk and milk product?
So, India is the largest consumer of milk and milk products. In India, we generally get milk from a cow and buffalo. Uh, Generally, we drink a cow milk, which has a fat content of 3.5%. We use various products from cow milk, like dahi, which yogurt, and various sweetened product also. And we also prepared a powder that is milk powder or skim milk powder, which can be utilized in ice cream industries also. Uh, then various products we prepared from milk have a great demand in the market. Various sweets like Shrikhand uh, also has a great demand.
Yes. Next is food standard and quality maintenance. What the basic principle of these one in food technology? What the criteria?
So quality is the major, a very important part in food technology, as quality uh, if the food is of good quality, then only people or the customer will accept it. So we have to maintain the food quality so as to our uh, product will get a good marketplace. Various standards have been established by various agencies, uh, and various regulatory compliance has been uh, there, like FSSAI, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, have been established various regulations like Schedule 4, which is mandatory for everyone, an egg mark or a PEDA. There is a very certification that has to be uh, obtained by a company to get a good reputation in the market and also to maintain the quality.
Yes. Next, so many terms used in food standard and quality maintenance. FPO, PFA, CIP, ISI, HEP, FSSI. Yes, can you explain?
Yes, sir. FSSAI is the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, which regulates the various food business agencies, food business operators, various enterprises which produce foods and their regulate the quality aspects of that product. The next one is CIP. CIP is nothing but clean in place. It is a cleaning method which can be every plant need to done CIP, and which includes 5 steps in CIP. The first one is cleaning with the normal water. Second one is cleaning with hot water. Third one is cleaning with acidic chemical like citric acid. And the next step is cleaning with nitric acid, then circulation of cold water, and then hot water. This treatment will reduce the microbial load inside the or a plant. Like if your milk plant, then we have done CIP once in a day. If you have another plant, then we can do CIP as per the product will change.
Yes, A mark, ISI.
So ISI is the International Organization of Standardization, uh, which uh, which has gives guidelines to regulate to make a product of export quality or a quality which is easily accepted. And uh, ISI is not mandatory within the India, but if you want to export your product or product made of A grade quality, then we have to follow ISI regulations. Then AgMark. AgMark is nothing but agriculture mark, which is mainly done on the agricultural produce like grains, cereals, or any fruits and vegetables, which has to be exported or of high grade. The agriculture marks mainly have been get for high quality of product.
Yes, good. Yes, basic terms used in your syllabus food technology is mostly completed. Next is now you have lot of knowledge in your subject food and technology. Yes, suppose if you will be selected in UPSC as assistant director in IES and food technology department, how will you contribute your knowledge? How will you change your department? What will be the innovative idea from your side? Any 5, 10 point innovative point, different point.
Firstly, sir, if I am selected as an assistant director in MSME, my first thing is to engaging with the various enterprises and identifying the work of improvement or the point of improvement or the sector which is lagging, And I think assistant director is the post which work as a bridge between the MSME sector and enterprises. So I will connect them with various schemes and policies and support them for like technology support and any financial services they needed in infrastructure buildings. Uh, and my first thing is to uh, conduct entrepreneurship and skill development program, which leads a new entrepreneur to come into the business and start their own. And that is a first generation entrepreneur. And also providing financial assistance to the entrepreneur.
Yes. Next is UPSC. Why will you become a assistant director in UPSC? Why you want to join UPSC as a assistant director? Describe briefly.
So MSME is a department which supports the economy of India, which contribute 40% to the economy of India and 30% to the GDP and contain 40% of the total workforce. I think if I am getting chance to work with MSME sector as an assistant director, I will definitely increase the employment in India, mainly in rural sector, where the requirement of employment is more and the availability of industrial area is less. So the creation of employment is very necessary in rural region, as well as the financial assistance that they needed is we have to fulfill that. Uh, we have to find that gap between the enterprises and the employment, and we have to fill that gap by joining the employment with the various enterprises, and also the technology upgradation that is needed. Like we use our traditional technologies in businesses, but we have to improve that technology to increase our efficiency and effectiveness to sustain in a Indian market as well as global market.
Yes, what the main role of UPSC assistant director in IDS department? What the major responsibilities of assistant director in IDS department? Describe.
So the major role of assistant director is of consultancy to provide a necessary guidance to the entrepreneurs regarding financial or technology upgradation or infrastructure or creating innovative ideas and identify the work of improvement and implementation of various policies, schemes, and analyzing the schemes, analyzing the data, and also helping in creating new schemes and contribute to the growth and development of Indian economy.
Yes. Next is suppose if you will be selected in UPSC as assistant director, what are the major challenges will you face during your personal and professional life? How will you manage them? Describe.
So I'm first engaging with the entrepreneurs and identify the problems by communicating with them. Then I will try to resolve that problem and with connecting them with the various schemes and policies and guide them accordingly. And also supporting them in various sectors like in the regulatory compliances and financial assistance, etc.
Yes. Next move on MSME. Yes. How many schemes are running in your state, Maharashtra, with the MSME? What the role of
So
Maharashtra
there are many
MSME?
schemes.
Describe.
So Maharashtra's role in MSME sector or in Indian economics is very important. Uh, Maharashtra is the largest MSME containing state in India after Uttar Pradesh. And Mumbai, which is the capital of Maharashtra, is a is also economic capital of India. And various schemes have been running in our Maharashtra region, like various PM-EGP scheme, credit guarantee fund schemes, as well as Spurti, Aspire. These are various schemes which are running in our region.
Yeah, next move on national level. How many schemes running in national level in MSME?
So national level, various schemes are running like micro small industry development commissioner. Then Khadi Udyog is also running. Then PM-EGP also a national level scheme. Then Mudra Yojana, which is a most important scheme, I think, because it supports, it is provide a collateral-free loans up to 10 lakh to small enterprises, which helps in establishing a small setup. Then a Startup India, Skill India, Make in India is a various initiatives taken by Indian government to support innovation and new technology and motivate the Indian enterprises and entrepreneurship.
Yes. Yes. Presently, Union Budget 25-26. What the contribution of MSME in Indian Budget 25-26?
So in budget, MSME, I think it is uh, 23,000 something crores have been given to the MSME sector.
Yes, 23,168
The major is
crore.
23.
And next is what the basic application of PM Vishwakarma scheme?
So PM Vishwakarma schemes uh, is having a main focus on traditional artisans and craftsmen, uh, to preserve the Indian traditional arts and to promote them in Indian market as well as give them a global marketplace. These schemes have been introduced in last year, and uh, 4-year budget has been allocated for these schemes till 2027.